Hello everyone, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. In the last tutorial, we learned about how to enable developer option in Android, how can we cast our Android phone on the system using two methods. I've even told you about how to use Visor extension for casting your Android device on system. In this video, we will be learning about how we can use extensive documentation which are provided by Google. So guys, let's get started. Google provides extensive documentation that you can use to learn about the application framework and to look up at specific Java classes from the Android SDK. You can get all the documentation on the web from this page developer.android.com or d.android.com/develop. Here you can find the API guides and critically for Java developers, the references. The references takes you to the Java docs for the entire SDK. Here you will find multiple libraries such as Android support libraries, Android automotive libraries, and many more. Here you will also find different components such as material components, which are basically which helps developer to execute material design to build beautiful functionalities and build our functional Android apps. From here, just go inside the Android platform. My internet connection is a bit more slow, but it will get loaded. Yes, it gets loaded. So over here, you can choose which API level you want to look at defaults. What's the recent version of Android? In this case, API level 30 or Android X. But if you want to look at what available for older version, just choose the API level which you want to choose. I will choose API level 21. If you choose API level 21, you will see packages are dimmed up, indicating those packages went up variable or older version of SDK. Here you will see that there are multiple packages which are available, but some are dimmed up. So these packages won't be available inside API level 21. So I will just return back to my latest version, that's the API level 30 or Android X version. If you know which particular version, package or class is in, you can choose the package. I will click on Android database. Over here, just click on overview. Over here, you will see a list of classes, interfaces, and other members that are part of package. From there, I will click on database utils. There are multiple packages being available. From over here, you can just get an overview of that particular package. So you can see that I have clicked the database utils. So you can see that there are multiple constants, methods, and multiple constants are available that let you manage database connections. Now I will go back to my project. So if you are working on Android project and you want to find documentation for a particular Java class, you can do that fairly easily. I have opened Hello World, which I was working on. I will open app folder. Over here, I will just go inside the Java folder and then I will click inside the package which I was working on. Over here, I will click the main activity. So here you can see app compact activity. Over here, you can see that there is app compact activity, which is a superclass of main activity. Superclass is also called parent class. So you can get the simple file version of the class documentation by pressing Ctrl Q, by selecting on that, and press Ctrl Q on Windows. So from there you see that there are multiple links of the classes superclass are available. I will click on fragment activity and then I will click on the superclass and keep on walking until I get activity. So as you continue up the tree, you will find more and more information about that particular package. It is fetching the documentation for that particular API level 29. Just wait for a while, it will show you about the documentation of that particular activity. So you can see that this is the documentation of this particular class. You can even see that this is the life cycle of the activity and all those things which are particular being available for this particular class. So you can also get information of the class by holding down control key and moving the cursor to that particular method or class or class name. You will also once again see information about class inheritance hierarchy. So you can use documentation online at Android developer site, or you can even use offline methods which are available inside Android Studio. So that's it for this video. In the next video I will tell you about the project structure of Android. So guys, stay tuned and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys once again.